Welcome to the heart of American agriculture, where modern technology meets fertile soils.
It all begins in high-tech greenhouses, where tomato seeds are carefully selected.
Automated planting machines place tiny seeds into nutrient-rich soil trays with robotic precision. A delicate mist of water and essential nutrients is sprayed over the freshly planted seeds. Climate-controlled environments ensure the seeds germinate under ideal temperature and humidity levels. Within a few days, vibrant green sprouts emerge, reaching toward automated LED growth lights. Robotic cameras scan and analyze each seedling, ensuring only the strongest continue to grow.
The selected young seedlings are transferred to hardening zones to prepare for the open fields. Here, they adapt to natural sunlight and fluctuating temperatures, building strong, resilient roots.
Meanwhile, out in the massive fields, heavy machinery prepares the soil for transplanting.
GPS-guided tractors lay down protective plastic mulch and underground drip irrigation lines simultaneously. This precision setup conserves water while keeping the roots perfectly hydrated and nourished.
Now, the automated transplanter machines are loaded with thousands of ready tomato seedlings.
The transplanter moves steadily, placing each seedling into the ground at precise intervals. Robotic fingers gently tuck the soil around the delicate roots to prevent air pockets. Within hours, miles of empty soil are transformed into perfect rows of young tomato plants. The smart drip irrigation system is activated, delivering water directly to each plant root.
Advanced soil sensors measure moisture levels, sending real-time data directly to the farm database.
Solar-powered sensor pods stand guard across the field, monitoring weather and soil conditions 24/7. Drones take off from automated docking stations, carrying multispectral cameras to scan the fields. The drone flies in precise grids, mapping the health and growth of every tomato plant. AI algorithms process the drone footage, detecting any signs of early crop stress or pests. This precise data allows farmers to apply nutrients only where they are needed most. Over the next few weeks, the warm American sun stimulates rapid, healthy vine growth.
Bright yellow blossoms appear across the fields, signaling the start of the tomato development.
Bees and local pollinators are introduced to ensure maximum blossom pollination across the acreage.
Soon, tiny green tomatoes form where the yellow flowers once bloomed under the sun.
The drip lines continue feeding organic nutrients, boosting the growing tomato's size and flavor.
As the days pass, the weight of the developing green tomatoes bends the branches downward.
The farmer monitors growth patterns on a mobile tablet, connected directly to field sensors.
Automated mechanical weeders glide between the rows, clearing weeds without disturbing the tomato vines. A shift in temperature triggers the ripening process, turning the fields from green to orange.
Slowly, the tomatoes ripen into a deep, brilliant red color, packed with sweet flavor.
Regular Brix tests are conducted in the field to measure sugar and acid levels.
Once the optimal ripeness is reached, the massive harvesting campaign is ready to begin.
Huge, state-of-the-art mechanical tomato harvesters roll into the fields under the clear sky. The harvester cuts the entire vine at the base, lifting it gently into the machine. ASMR of rapid mechanical slicing of vines and heavy metal rolling. Inside the harvester, A high-frequency shaker separates the ripe red tomatoes from the vines. An integrated optical sorter uses advanced sensors to immediately reject green tomatoes and dirt. The rejected material is returned to the soil, acting as natural fertilizer for next season. The pristine, red tomatoes flow up a conveyor belt directly into an adjacent truck. This synchronized dance continues smoothly, filling massive double trailers with fresh, ripe tomatoes. Aerial drone shots show multiple harvesters sweeping across the vast red and green landscape. The fully loaded semi-trucks head out, carrying tons of fresh tomatoes toward the processing factory. These trucks travel along modern American highways, ensuring swift delivery to preserve peak freshness.
The quality control team takes core samples from the truckload to test for quality.
Once approved, the truck backs up to the automated unloading bay for rapid processing. High-pressure water jets gently wash the tomatoes out of the trailers into flume channels. The tomatoes flow down wide water canals, receiving their first thorough pre-wash and rinse. Water filtration systems continuously clean and recycle the water, maximizing processing efficiency. Next, the tomatoes are lifted by inclined conveyors, passing under powerful freshwater spray bars. They enter the sorting facility, where high-speed optical sorters analyze up to thousands per minute. High-speed cameras identify any remaining green tomatoes, blemishes, or foreign debris instantly. Targeted blasts of compressed air shoot the rejected items off the fast-moving belt. The perfect, deep red tomatoes continue along the conveyor belt for final human inspection. Skilled operators in sanitary gear perform a final check, ensuring unmatched product quality control. The tomatoes are sorted by size and density using rotating stainless steel roller beds. Some tomatoes are routed to the dicing line, while others go to paste production. For canned whole tomatoes, they pass through a rapid steam peeler to remove skins. The gentle steam pressure splits the outer skins, which are quickly vacuumed away cleanly. The peeled tomatoes slide into a dicing machine, slicing them into uniform, clean cubes. For tomato paste, whole tomatoes are crushed and pumped into massive stainless steel evaporators. Under vacuum, the tomato pulp is cooked at low temperatures to concentrate its rich flavors. The thick, vibrant red tomato paste is continuously monitored for perfect viscosity and density. Meanwhile, the canning line prepares sanitized tin cans, moving them rapidly along magnetic tracks. Automated filling nozzles deposit the exact weight of diced tomatoes or paste into cans. The cans are quickly topped with hot, seasoned tomato juice to preserve maximum freshness.
A high-speed seamer applies the metal lids, creating an airtight, hermetic seal instantly.
After cooling, automated labeling machines wrap each can with clean, colorful brand labels.
Industrial laser printers stamp batch codes and expiration dates onto the bottom of every can.
High-speed cartoning machines pack the finished cans into sturdy cardboard boxes automatically. An automated stretch wrapper spins around the pallet, securing it tightly with plastic film. Forklifts transport the secured pallets into massive, temperature-controlled distribution warehouses. The pallets are loaded into refrigerated semi-trucks, ready for dispatch across the United States. The trucks arrive at modern supermarket loading docks, where staff unload the fresh products.
Store employees neatly stock the shelves, creating an inviting display of premium tomato products.
A happy customer selects a can, bringing the journey from American farm to table complete.